Today we are going to share with you use the piece of the chain, and we are going to make a charm necklace. Here I will use this cable chain, but it's with the square wire. Let's go into make the charm necklace. First, we will cut the chain in 40 centimeter. A 40 centimeter here first, and then we will get a piece of the park. I'm here get a pack of the charms. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pack of the 7 piece of the charms. Then let's go into use the charm make the jewelry here. This one is a ball. We can put it at the middle. This is a teddy bear with the rhinestone here. And here is a piece of the leopard head. Okay, then we put it here. These two. And there is a moon charm here. We will hang it at the side. And thank you, my friends. Welcome to my live streaming. This is a channel that's going to show with you how to making the jewelry by ourselves. Then this one we will hang it here. So total is 5 pieces of the charms, and then we can use the piece of the stone to make the piece of the some decoration here. I am going to use the fresh water pour here, 2 pieces, and we can hang it on at between. We can hang it at between here, and let's go into use the wire to wrap a head pin. Okay, here. Or we can use the ball peen directly. Okay, let's go into use the ball peen here. This is a ball peen we hang on, and the wire of the head pin is too much a lot. So, hello, Royce Ren. Hi, sweet touch. Happy to see you. Cut. We put the 2 pieces the gold spacer. Thank you. Is here making the piece of the charm by make the charm necklace by ourselves. Here. So it's made it like this. Then we put at this part. Hi, OC Linked. Happy to see you. Here. This one. Here. So it's like this, and then we can hang it on. We can hang it by the chain, by the jumping. Here are the jumprings. Then let's go to touch by the jumping tool. This is the jumping tool, and this is the flat plier. So we go to hang it one by one. Put the plier here, open, hang on. Okay, touch the middle charm first, close it. Close it here. This one. And open, hang on, and attach and close. Here. Again. And hang on. So here is the way that we making the charm necklace. Attach here. Thank you, my friends. If you are first time here, thank you to follow me. This is a channel that shows you how to making the jewelry by ourselves. And next one, attach the two pieces of the pearl. Hang on here, this way, here. Okay, and attach here. This one, and attach this small. Attach the small cute shell. Okay, so here is the way that we finished. Today we will going to sell the charms in a pack. The pack charm will be sold 9.9 a pack. So wait, I will going to sell for it here. Then let's go into attach the clasp here. And hang on and close. Fold, open here, hang on and close. Okay, hello sunshine, very long time to see, happy to see you dear. So we're going to wear this one, the necklace, to try if the effect is nice. Okay, so Here is the design that we just finished. This one is the design we finished here, like this, a charm necklace